Hi all, welcome to my channel, Data Greek, a channel dedicated to machine learning and data science. Today we are exploring a platform that revolutionized data science and machine learning, Kaggle. Whether you are a data newbie or seasoned pro, stick around to discover how Kaggle can supercharge your career. Kaggle is a website which many people are using to download dataset. Most of the people don't know Kaggle is a complete package for data science where we can learn, practice, explore, and collaborate with other fellow Kagglers. In this video, we will discuss all details you need to know to get started in Kaggle. Initially, we'll be going through the competition tier. What is Kaggle? Kaggle is a vibrant online community for data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts. It's a place where you can find dataset, compete in challenges, collaborate with peers worldwide. Think of it as the ultimate playground for data lovers. How to get started on Kaggle? Getting started is a breeze. Simply uh, click on the register. You will have the access to treasure trove of datasets and competitions. The interface is intuitive, make it easy to navigate even if you're just starting out. Similar to all the platforms or like social media platforms, you can just use your Google or email ID to register and sign in. As you can see, I have already logged in using my email ID. So this is my home screen. In the home screen, you can see the welcome message, login streak, how many days I have logged in continuously, and my rank. Currently, I am ranked 439 in discussions, tire progress, current tire, how is the progress, and the public activity, which all days I have participated. So, and also below you can see the discussions, data set, notebook, competition, and courses. These are the categories. In that, main categories are discussion, dataset, notebook, and competitions. And if you go down, you can see what all activities you have performed and what all activities they are recommending. And if you go below, you can see the details of the other Kagglers which you follow, they have posted, and whatever they have, their works, you will get the information below. So that is the home screen. Kaggle mainly has 4 tiers of express. There are 5 performance tiers that can be achieved in accordance with the quality and quantity of work you produce. Performance tiers are novice, contributor, expert, master, and grandmaster. We shall discuss this in detail in the later video when we discuss regarding the Kaggle progression system. Now let's move on to the first category and the most important category in Kaggle, competitions. As you can see the screen, Kaggle has many competitions. Competitions are the way to validate your knowledge, participate with people, and team with the best personnel in data science. Also, there are competitions where there is a prize money if you win the competition. If you can reach at least top 10%, then it will be a game changer for your career. In Kaggle, there are many types of competitions like featured, research, getting started, playground, etc. Featured competitions are the competitions where companies want a solution for their problem where they cannot solve from their team. They want fellow Kagglers to participate and get a solution for their problem. Some of the competitions they use as a way to recruit the people. They featured competitions will be having a good prize money. And there is another competition, that is research competition, which companies do for the research purpose. It is normally having a less prize money. Another common competition is getting started. Getting started are the simplest competition which is meant for the beginners to join and learn and how it works. Also, there are many competitions like playground competition, and some of the competitions are hosted by the fellow Kagglers. Now, let's move on to the most common competition available in the Kaggle. That is Titanic machine learning from disaster. This is the first competition most of the Kagglers would be attending and trying to solve, get the solution. So, when you start a competition, you can first see an overview screen. In the overview screen, the company will be giving the description of the competition, what is the challenge in the competition, how the competition works, all those details. Since it's a getting started competition and the first competition all the calculars are attending, there are many more details mentioned by the mentioned in the competition screen. You can see the submit, how to submit, all those things, and there is also a video in which Kaggle personnel is explaining in detail. So next tab for a competition will be a data. In this tab, the detailed description of the dataset will be given. Usually simple competitions will be having a trained dataset and test dataset and the general submission format. So you need to work on this problem, train the model using the algorithms, and on the test set you need to predict the results. These all things we will be discussing in detail in another video. So in this video we are just brushing through the basics. So in the dataset tab, dataset detail will be mentioned. So next tab is the code. In the code tab you can see the other notebooks, codes which the other fellow Kagglers has published their solution. So when you are working on this problem, you can also do the same thing by making your code public. So as per that, all the code will be visible in this screen related to this competition. So another screen is the model. If you are working with the model to solve this solution, then it will be visible in this model screen. Next tab is the discussion. In the discussion tab, all the discussion regarding this competition will be available. So you can ask questions regarding the competition. You can answer the questions posted by the other Kagglers in this screen. Another tab is the leaderboard. Leaderboard is a screen where your ranking will be mentioned. How many uh, entries you have made, when you have done it last. You can see your the best rank in the screen. What is the score and all those details will be there. Next tab is for the rules. So each competition having the particular rules. So it's mentioned over here. You need to go through this and you need to accept the rules before joining the competition. And next tab is the team tab. If you're teaming with another person, it will be mentioned over there. And the last tab is the submission tab. So it will show the how many submissions you have made and all those details. In this video, we have discussed about the competition, how to do a competition, how to join a competition. So next video we'll be discussing the remaining categories like dataset, code, discussion, and also ranking. So if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you like the content, please like and comment. Till then, bye. See you next time.